Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's Friday. It is the sunny and hot day. It's like the sun is on fire, and I'm walking through this place. This area is very beautiful. I'm going to our house. This area is look at that playing cricket, some far. That behind me look at that this field vegetables. Our many trees vegetables. So sometimes I will take my home vegetables. Where sometimes I get free time, I try to work with my family. I'm speaking in English just now. Improve speaking in English skills.